Hey there, I'm about to chop up some delicious kale. These leafy greens gives my body the nutrients it needs to be healthy. Now, if you have a website or an application, do you know what your business needs? It ain't kale, it's website terms and conditions and a privacy policy. These terms and conditions serve as a contract between you and people who visit your website or use your app to protect you from legal risks. So if you don't have a website terms and conditions or privacy policy, or you just yanked one from someone else online, shame on you. Just call the social media law firm today and we'll hook you up with some leafy and delicious kale. No, we'll write your website terms and conditions and privacy policy to make sure that you're protected from legal risks and you have a healthy, sustainable, and delicious business, website, or application.